Welcome to our comparison of Fortnite and Call of Duty on Linux in 2025. Today, we're diving into what makes these two iconic competitive games unique. As of 2025, Linux gaming has seen significant growth, with more developers focusing on compatibility and performance. Let's take a closer look at how Fortnite and Call of Duty perform on Linux. Which one gives you a smoother experience? When it comes to graphics, both games offer unique visual styles. How do they stack up on Linux? The user experience varies significantly between Fortnite and Call of Duty. Let's explore how control schemes influence gameplay. Community plays a huge role in online gaming. How do the player bases differ for Fortnite and Call of Duty on Linux? Cross-platform play is crucial. Let's see how compatibility impacts player choice on Linux. Ongoing support is essential for longevity. How do Fortnite and Call of Duty deliver updates on Linux?